Unit 412, this is a preview video coming soon. Full bath here. Digital doorman. Excellent Pullman kitchen. Vented. Cabinets to the ceiling. Glass backsplash. Oh, I forgot. Here's the tankless water heater. There you go. Nice coat closet. Lots of room for gathering. Plenty of room for a dining room table. Fridge is coming. It's a duplex. Base second floor is the bathroom. Rain shower head, double head shower. Laundry room is here, which the HVAC system is. And a large bedroom here. Ceiling fan. And probably the master here. With a nice, lots of room closet.